Evening viewer, welcome to our Globe TV. Here's the breaking news. Yes, 5 innovations that are revolutionizing global healthcare. Suppose you or someone you know needs surgery or treatment for an illness or disease. In that case, it is increasingly likely that advances in medical technology will improve the chances of a successful outcome. Medical innovation have occurred throughout the history, continually advancing our ability to treat complex diseases. This include the first vaccine for smallpox in the 18th century, the development of antibiotics in the 1920s, and the world's first organ transplant 3 decades later. However, the 21st century is bringing even more progresses with technological advances revolutionizing the healthcare sector. The World Health Organization says innovation, particularly in the digital sphere, is taking place at an unprecedented scale. Here are 5 innovations that are pushing even more boundaries in healthcare. Artificial intelligence. The use of algorithms and machine learning in detecting, diagnosing, and treating disease has become a significant area of life sciences. Some believe it is the biggest healthcare revolution of the 21st century. AI can detect diseases early and make more accurate diagnosis more quickly than conventional means. In breast cancer, AI is enabling mammograms to be reviewed 30 times faster with almost 100% accuracy, reducing the need for biopsies. Meanwhile, a deep learning algorithm developed by health tech company Cori.ai is enabling the early detection of lung cancer. The firm says it study demonstrated a 17% improvement when using AI to interpret chest X-rays compared to conventional radiology readings. It has formed a partnership with drug giant AstraZeneca that aims to scale up the technology to reduce lung cancer mortality rates around the world. 3D printing. The use of 3D printing techniques in healthcare is growing rapidly. More than 110 hospitals in the US and facilities for free of care 3D manufacturing in 2019 compared with just 3 in 2010 according to data provided by Statista. The technology is being used for creating dental implants, replacement joints, as well as for made-to-measure prosthetics. Research into using 3D printers for manufacturing skin tissues, organs, and even medication is also underway. One of the main benefits of 3D printing is that it greatly accelerates production processes and therefore also reduces the cost of traditionally manufactured products. The technology has reduced the time it takes to produce hearing aids from more than 1 week to just 1 day, according to the American Hospital Association. CRISPR gene editing. Clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats, that is called CRISPR gene editing technology, can potentially transform how diseases are treated. It could help make significant advances against killer diseases like cancer and HIV in a matter of years. The technology works by harshening the natural mechanism of invading viruses and then cutting out infected DNA strands by altering cell mutation. CRISPR also has the potential to transform the way rare conditions like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell disease are treated. However, ethical concern around its use need to be addressed and also its potential ability to change genomes in children has been raised. A team of scientists was prosecuted in China in 2020 after they claimed to have created the world's first designer babies using CRISPR. Virtual reality. The VR and AR, augmented reality market is booming worldwide, and both technologies are being used increasingly in a healthcare application. The technology can be deployed in various ways, such as performing more advanced surgery, helping with pain relief, and treating mental health conditions. Surgeon can also use a VR helmet to rehearse procedures as well as to have full sight of the inside of a patient's body, and the technology can help people to learn chronic pain by retraining the brain. Forbes says. VR can also help people with mental disorders overcome their fears by providing them a controlled environment for social interaction. 2 hours of exposure to treatment for fear of heights cut patient anxiety by an average of 68% according to Forbes. Smart bandages. A bandage that uses sensors to monitor wound healing has been developed by researchers in the US. It promotes faster closure of wounds, increases new blood flow to injured tissue, and enhances skin recovery by significantly reducing scar formation, according to the Stanford University team behind it. A thin electronic layer on the bandage has temperature sensors that monitor a wound. If necessary, they can trigger more electrical stimulation to accelerate tissue closure. With stimulation and sensing in one device, the smart bandage speeds healing, but it also keeps track as the wound is improving, said Artem Totorsky, co-author of a study of the bandage. The device needs to overcome cost and data storage issues before going into mass production. However, it could eventually offer significant help to people with suppressed immune systems and diseases like diabetes, who often suffer from slow healing wounds. Beyond the effort, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.